In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into HoneyBook. If you're navigating your way through setting up or streamlining your workflow on HoneyBook, you'll find this task quite handy. Bringing your well-established contacts into this platform can help you manage your clients better and streamline your operations more efficiently. So let's dive right in. Firstly, let's go ahead and start by accessing your contacts on HoneyBook. You'll find this option located on the left side of your dashboard. Make sure you're logged in so you can follow along smoothly. Navigating to the contact section is your first step towards organizing all your client information in one spot. Once you're in the contacts area, your next move is to look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the option to import contacts. Go ahead and click on that button. This feature allows you to bring in contacts from different sources, thus centralizing your communication and management in HoneyBook. Having everything in one place can really make a difference in maintaining effective client interactions. Now, you have two options. You can choose to upload a CSV file or import from Google Contacts. If you have your contacts stored in a CSV format, the first option will be your best bet, while the Google Contacts option is perfect if you're integrated with that ecosystem. If you're using a CSV file, make sure it's clean and organized, as a tidy file will transform into an organized contact list. Next, this step may seem a bit technical, but it's actually fairly straightforward. You need to match each column in your CSV file with the appropriate categories in HoneyBook, like name, email, phone number, and so on. This mapping ensures that all data goes into the correct fields, preventing any mix-ups. If you have a long contact list, double-checking this step will save you headaches in the long run. And finally, we're at the last step, clicking that import button. By doing this, you will set the import process into motion, and your contacts will begin populating into your HoneyBook account. If you follow the steps correctly, you should see your contact list start to grow with familiar names and details. There you have it. With these quick and easy steps, you've successfully imported your contacts into HoneyBook, paving the way for more streamlined client management. Remember, having all your contacts in one place helps you stay organized and efficient, which is key for running any successful business. If you encounter any issues during this process, HoneyBook's support resources are also a great place to look for additional guidance. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. We're here to help make your HoneyBook experience as seamless as possible.